How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'll show you what kind of work I do. So I've already started my duty. I'll talk about what my job is, how much the salary is for this work, and if you want to do this job, what qualifications you need, etc. We'll discuss all of that in today's video. So as you can see, this is our work location, our workplace. Basically we work in this market. We're about to enter it now. This is what the inside of the market looks like. We'll now go upstairs in the market using the lift because this market is located on the second floor. We'll go to the second floor by lift. It's a hypermarket, and as you know, hypermarkets are usually very large. In fact, this is a really big market. So before I show you exactly what I do, let me give you a quick tour of the market. This is the hypermarket. You can see it's a very big market. Since the video would get too long, I have sped it up a bit. Now I'll show you what my main job is. My job is actually similar to that of a customer. Just like a customer goes around the market with a trolley collecting items, my job is actually, that's exactly what I do. I go around the whole market with this trolley collecting items. Let me show you. Basically you can see this device here. Orders come into this device. When an order comes in, different items are shown here. You can see there are 100 items there. So basically we collect these items, we pick up the items from the market, and then we prepare the bill for these items. After preparing the bill, we get the items ready for parceling. The rider comes and picks up the items. This is our job. When an order comes in, we collect the items like this, then prepare the parcel, make the bill, and hand it over to the rider. That's all we do. But now there isn't much work like this. During the hot season, we just have to sit around doing nothing. Anyway, now let's talk about something else. What is the salary scale for this job, and what qualifications do you need to have if you want to work here? For this job, they offer salaries in 3 scales. One is the basic, another is tips, and the last is incentives. For the basic, they will give us 2000 taka, and on top of that you will get your incentives and tips. So if you are assigned to a good market where there are more orders, and waiter will give you an additional one, 0 commission. Altogether your salary will be over 0 dirhams if you get assigned to a good market. To work there, you need to have certain qualifications. You must know basic English. This is because you often have to communicate with customers about any waiter related issues, as most of the orders are placed by foreigners. That's why you need to know English. So if you are interested in doing this job and you are in Dubai, then get in touch with me. I will help you, God willing.